Good morning, all. Welcome to Pro Traders of India. Uh, Today we draw Bank Nifty levels. As we see from 9:15 onwards, Bank Nifty started falling brutally. It almost fell from 30,800, 800 or 840 to 390. It is like more than 400 points within 15. I think half an hour. See, 9:15 to yeah, 9:45. You see, half an hour. Within half an hour, it fell more than 400 points, and it started recovering. And we thought of it will. We thought it will hold around 30,550, but it did not. It directly fell to 30,380. Now it is started recovering. I hope the support is around 30,500. But option chain is showing it is still weak. The way it broke now, 30,500 is not so strong. I think it will fall or it will roam around 30,500. 500. From here onwards, looks like it will run sideways. But let's see, option chain keeps on changing. If we see any other change, we will update you in Telegram or through Twitter. But as of now, we are still in a downside. We just took another put. We feel this is not so strong move upside. Let's see. This is our level, 30,500. If it breaks again, it will come back to 30,000 for 400 or so. We prefer a downside movement, that's why we took PS, and also we sold calls. Thank you. If we see any other opportunity, we will update you through Telegram or Twitter. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to our channel in all social media networks. See, it is trying to come back. It will come back and it will touch for this support level for sure. But if we'll get reversed, then we can consider it as a bull move. But if it breaks down again, then our view will not change. We will be in bearish mode whole day. But if in 15 minutes candle it comes back and takes support and go up, then we will change our view. Yeah, thank you guys. That's all for the today's video.